Moving on now, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the S.I.R. hearing. Supreme Court has asked the Election Commission to public on website, to put information on website at district level, the details of 65 lakh persons deleted from Bihar draft voters list, along with the reason for their deletion, death, migration or duplication. And the time that Supreme Court has given is till Tuesday. So by Tuesday, the Supreme Court has asked the Election Commission to make this information public. Let's go across to Harish, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details, our legal editor. Harish, the Supreme Court has also said that this would bring more transparency and more clarity. So the Supreme Court said reveal names that have not been included, and why no reason has been given for non-inclusion?
Yes, that's it. In fact, a very big development as far as the Bihar Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Roll is concerned. For the first time, the Supreme Court has asked the Election Commission of India to publish on its website a district-wise breakup of people who have been left out of the draft electoral roll. It comes to around 65 lakh. The Supreme Court has said that those who are dead, migrated, and also duplication, all these details have to be given as a breakup, and because only then the affected people who have been wrongly omitted can have remedial measures. They have a fundamental right to know, and will also enhance. Putting all these details in public domain will also enhance voter confidence. This court also said that some degree of transparency will increase voter confidence, and also very most importantly, Swati, the Supreme Court says, you say there is a wrong narrative being floated around. By doing this, you can end that wrong narrative also, that people have been wrongly omitted from the draft list. 65 lakh of them have been removed from the draft list. Remember, why this is important is because Election Commission of India has been stonewalling these requests from the petitioners who include main opposition parties like Mahua Maitra and K.C. Venugopal. Also, several NGOs have said that this Election Commission should be asked to publish this list, but Election Commission of India maintained that rules don't ask them to reveal the names of those who have been omitted, those who are dead, and also the reasons for omission. That cannot be claimed as a matter of right. And of course, the Election Commission is making every effort to ensure that not a single voter is removed from the electoral roll.
You are absolutely right, Harish, because non-inclusion was the bone of contention. That's what the opposition was claiming, that people have been removed from the list. Now, the reason could be anything: death, migration, duplication. But that reason has to be made public is what the Supreme Court is saying. Put that information of non-inclusion on your website. It will boost voter confidence and might help settle the issue ultimately.
Yes, this is what the Supreme Court said. Justice Suryakant said that you are saying that there is a wrong narrative being built, that election commission, that in fact, remember the petitioner had said that this is a veiled attempt to de-enfranchise lakhs of voters to help the ruling party in Bihar. So that narrative, the Supreme Court is saying, you can end that wrong narrative, what you say,
right,
that if the narrative which is being floated, which is wrong, that narrative can be ended if you put out this list, and therefore the Supreme Court has said
Harish,
that.
Sorry to interrupt you, but we have Mr. Udit Raj of the Congress joining us on the broadcast. Your first reaction on these developments coming in from the Supreme Court, where the top court has asked the Election Commission to reveal the names that have not been included, to make the information public.
Hello, that's a welcome. And we are happy that, of course, Supreme Court has given direction that upload the name of those who are shown dead, and of course, perhaps has also said that those who have migrated. So what happened in nutshell, what I can see, because I haven't read the judgment, but voters have their right to see that whether their name is there or not. And this is a fundamental right. Of course, in the digital world, and I would expect that Election Commission now will take lesson and the way that it was behaving,
Okay.
that it will be uploaded and data will be available in an electronic form.
Well, we're given to understand that the time given to the Election Commission is still Tuesday. Thank you very much, Mr. Udit Raj, for speaking with us. We also have Rashid Alvi joining us on the broadcast. Rashid Alvi ji, the court has also, although said that ECI has the power to undertake an S.I.R, but the information about non-inclusion, whether it's due to death, whether it's due to migration, whether it's due to duplication, that has to be included in the list. That information should be put out on the website.
No, definitely. We have respect for any direction given by the Supreme Court. But important thing is, try to understand, Election Commission doesn't have any infrastructure. Election Commission is using all the bureaucracy and all the staff of government of Bihar government. So who are they? District magistrate, all bureaucrats, they are working under the instructions of Chief Minister, under the instruction of BJP and Nitish Kumar government. So how will you find out?
So during state elections, sir, whether it's a BJP government or the Congress government, if EC does not have an infrastructure of its own, the EC uses this staff, isn't it? Would you then say that it's taking orders from a chief minister of a Congress party?
They are not. Election Commission is not taking any instruction. I agree with you. Legally, constitutionally. But otherwise, Election Commission has become toy of the government. And how can you do it before 2-3 months earlier of the election? All of a sudden you have started...
Well, sir, at the moment the Supreme Court has said that EC has the power to undertake an S.I.R. The Supreme Court is asking it to include the information about people